So I have number 9, and first off we have this big picture here. We have a square and like all these little like things, so separated by like 4 semicircles, and you see these arcs right here. Okay, so the problem gives us the area of the square equals 64. So right off the bat we know that the square is going to be 8 by 8 because the area of the square is just one side squared, take square root of 64, and you get 8. But anyways, the problem asked you to find the area of the shaded region. Okay, so we have what the side lengths of the big square are, but we're trying to find what the area of all these things combined are. So the first thing I noticed is the symmetry of the whole figure. So we know that all of these are the same, right? So we can just find one of them and multiply it by 4, and we'll have the area of all 4 of them. So first off, I divided into 4, so I took this little square right here, and since I know that a square is going to be divided, like the side length is going to be half of the total side length, right? So half of 8 is going to be 4, so it's going to be a 4 by 4 square. And so the area of this square right here, I marked it like that, it's going to be 16. Next, I want to find what the area of all of this is, because in order to find this length, eventually you like take the whole square and subtract these 2 sections, and I'll give you that. So first, so I see this as a circle of radius 4, right? Because this radius here is 4. So the area of that's going to be pi r squared over 4, because this is just this right here, just 1/4 of a circle, so it's pi r squared over 4. And the radius, like I said, is 4. So it's going to be 16 pi over 4, which is 4 pi. And then, so now that we know that, if we just want to find this area right here, of this like blank space over here, we can just do the whole square minus all of this, all this section right here, which is 4 pi. So 16 minus 4 pi is the area of this. And so, since there's 2 of these, multiply that by 2. So 2 times 16 minus 4 pi equals 32 minus 8 pi. Okay. So now we have that. So if you want to find what this area is right here, we just take the whole square and subtract it from the area of these 2 sectors right here. So you have 16 minus 32 minus 8 pi right here. So you get 16 minus 32, which is negative 16, and then 16 plus 8 pi. So negative 16 plus 8 pi. And that's the area of the one sector right here. So now, like I said earlier, if you want to find the area of all 4 of these, you just multiply by 4. So 4 times negative 16 plus 8 pi is negative 64 plus 32 pi. And that's your answer.